United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 1, Use of Terms and Scope. 1. For the purposes of this convention. 1. Area means the seabed and ocean floor and subsoil thereof, beyond the limits of national jurisdiction. 2. Authority means the International Seabed Authority. 3. Activities in the area means all activities of exploration for and exploitation of the resources of the area. 4. Pollution of the marine environment means the introduction by man, directly or indirectly, of substances or energy into the marine environment, including estuaries, which results or is likely to result in such deleterious effects as harm to living resources and marine life, hazards to human health, hindrance to marine activities, including fishing and other legitimate uses of the sea, impairment of quality for use of seawater and reduction of amenities. 5a. Dumping means any deliberate disposal of wastes or other matter from vessels, aircraft, platforms or other man-made structures at sea. 2. Any deliberate disposal of vessels, aircraft, platforms or other man-made structures at sea. B. Dumping does not include the disposal of wastes or other matter incidental to or derived from the normal operations of vessels, aircraft, platforms or other man-made structures at sea and their equipment, other than wastes or other matter transported by or to vessels, aircraft, platforms or other man-made structures at sea, operating for the purpose of disposal of such matter, or derived from the treatment of such wastes, or other matter on such vessels, aircraft, platforms or structures. 2. Placement of matter for a purpose other than the mere disposal thereof, provided that such placement is not contrary to the aims of this convention. 2. 1. States parties means states which have consented to be bound by this convention, and for which this convention is in force. 2. This convention applies mutatis mutandis to the entities referred to in Article 305, paragraph L, B, C, D, E, and F, which become parties to this convention in accordance with the conditions relevant to each, and to that extent states parties refers to those entities